You've always been good with words. In fact, people have often told you that you have a way with them. You know how to communicate and get your point across. That's why you're thinking about becoming a copywriter. But it's not as easy as it sounds. It takes more than just being good with words to be a successful copywriter. Here are 10 tips to help you get started on the right foot. Number 1, passion for copywriting. If you want to become a successful copywriter, it is important to have a passion for copywriting. This means that you should enjoy writing and have a strong interest in advertising and marketing. Number 2, understand your audience. One of the most important things you can do as a copywriter is to understand your audience. You need to know who you are writing for and what they are looking for. Number 3, learn to write headlines. Copywriting is all about persuasion, and one of the most important skills a copywriter can have is the ability to write headlines that grab attention and make people want to read more. Number 4, get to the point. Your readers will appreciate your straightforward approach and will be more likely to take action if they know exactly what you want them to do. Keep your sentences short and to the point, and make sure your call to action is clear. Number 5, write with confidence. The number one trait of successful copywriters is confidence. You need to believe in what you're writing and that your words will have an impact. This confidence will come through in your writing and will make people more likely to listen to what you have to say. Number 6, use persuasive language. The most important thing for a copywriter is to be able to persuade people. This means using language that will make people take action. You need to be able to grab people's attention and then keep them interested in what you have to say. Number 7, make it readable. One of the most important tips for becoming a successful copywriter is to make your writing readable. This means using short, simple sentences and avoiding jargon. Number 8, edit ruthlessly. If you want to be a successful copywriter, you need to be able to edit your work ruthlessly. This means cutting out any unnecessary words or phrases that don't add anything to your writing. Number 9, take breaks. Copywriting can be a mentally demanding task. It requires focus and creativity. Trying to force yourself to write can often lead to frustration and lack of ideas. That's why it's important to take breaks when you're copywriting. And number 10, find a mentor. A great way to learn the ropes of copywriting is to find a mentor. There are many experienced copywriters out there who are willing to help budding writers. You can find a mentor by asking around in online forums or by contacting writing organizations.